Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 5 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 2 Food and Health, Lesson 5. Please open your class book to page 18. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 2 Food and Health, Lesson 5, ClassBook Pages 18 and 19, Activities 1, 2, 3, and 4. The aims. In this lesson, students will listen to children talking about healthy tips and match the tip to the speaker. Do a quiz to see how healthy they are. Discuss the results of the quiz. Let's go to page 18 of your class book. Listening and speaking section. Activity 1. Listen and match. Listen to the children talking about healthy tips. Match the tips A to E with the children 1 to 5. You will listen to these children in this order: Azza, Haytham, Aisha, Walid, and Reem. Let's read the tips first. A. I try to eat healthy snacks like fruit instead of chocolate and sweets. I recommend only eating junk food occasionally. I always eat 5 servings of vegetables a day. My healthy tip is to drink lots of water. I eat a big breakfast so I don't eat any snacks before lunch. Let's listen and match the tips A to E with the children 1 to 5. Use your pencil to do the task, then come back to check your answers.
Listening 2.2.
I always eat 5 servings of vegetables a day.
I try to eat healthy snacks like fruit instead of chocolate and sweets.
My healthy tip is to drink lots of water.
I recommend only eating junk food occasionally.
I eat a big breakfast, so I don't eat any snacks before lunch.
Thank you. I'll write the letters here, then we will listen again to check the answers. Yes, Azza. C. Haytham. A. Aisha. D. Walid. B. And Reem. E. Now let's listen again in order to check the answers.
Listening 2.2.
I always eat 5 servings of vegetables a day.
I try to eat healthy snacks like fruit instead of chocolate and sweets.
My healthy tip is to drink lots of water.
I recommend only eating junk food occasionally.
I eat a big breakfast, so I don't eat any snacks before lunch.
Activity 2. Discuss. Discuss the questions about the tips for healthy eating from Activity 1 in pairs. You are asked to work with your partner in order to discuss these questions. 1. Which tips for healthy eating do you like the most? Which one of these tips do you like the most? 2. Do you follow any of these tips? 3. Can you think of any other tips for healthy eating? You can discuss these questions with your brothers and sisters and try to find answers. Activity 3. Do a quiz. Take the healthy eating quiz, ask your partner the questions, then calculate their score. You are asked to ask your partner these questions, then calculate his score. You can ask him or her this question: do you eat at least 2 servings of cheese, milk, or yogurt every day? If the answer is yes, give him 2 marks or circle this. If the answer is sometimes, give him 1. If the answer is no, that means no marks. Question 2. Do you eat 2 or more servings of fruit every day? Question 3. Do you eat 3 or more servings of vegetables every day? Question 4. Do you eat 3 or more servings of bread, cereal, rice, and pasta every day? Question 5. Do you eat 2 or more servings from the meat, chicken, fish, beans, eggs, and nuts group every day? Question 6. Do you eat more than 1 serving from the fat and sugar group every day? And you can give him the mark for each question. Then you can look at this score. If you or your friends get 11, that means you are excellent. You are eating a healthy diet. If the mark is 10, that means you may be eating too many foods from the fat group, or you may not be eating any at all. Check your diet. If the mark is 8 or 9, that means you may be missing a whole food group from your diet. Think about your diet and add some foods from the missing group to it. If the mark is 6 or 7, you may be missing 2 food groups from your diet. You will need to change your diet to stay healthy. Think about your diet and add some foods from the missing groups. If your mark is 4 or 5, you have a very unhealthy diet. Talk to your friends, teacher, and parents about the things you must do to make it healthy. You can do this at school or with your brothers and sisters at home. Activity 4. Compare and discuss. Compare your results with your group and answer the questions below. 1. What was your score in the quiz? 2. Who is the healthiest person in your group? 3. How can you or your classmates improve your score in the quiz? I think this lesson is so easy and you can do the task easily. By this, we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. Goodbye.